Number 12, solve for n. It's an inequality. So there's going to be all types of solutions here. I'm looking 5 times what plus 9 will be bigger than 3 times that same number, subtract 14. Well, there's all types of things. Well, let's figure out what they are. We solve it just like it if it had happened to have an equal sign. So we're going to move our smaller variable over. I get 2n plus 9 is greater than negative 14. Now subtract my 9. 2n is greater than negative 23. Divide by 2, divide by 2. Do I switch the inequality sign? No, I'm not dividing by negative, so it stays. That'll be negative 11 and a half, which negative 11.5 is perfectly fine. The next one, I'm going to move my smaller variable. So I'm moving 4n. I get negative 1 is less than 5n plus 9. So I now move my 9 over. I subtract 9. I get negative 10 less than 5n. Divide by my 5. Divide by my 5. Here's n being bigger than negative 2. Now, we don't like to leave our answer with a number compared to the variable. We like to put the variable first. So here's the variable, n. Here's negative 2. Now, who was bigger back in here? N was. So that would be our answer right here. N is greater than negative 2. I must distribute through to start the problem. So I have 9n subtract 6 less than or equal. N and 6n is 7n minus 12. Now move my smaller variable over. 2n subtract 6 less than or equal to negative 12. Add your 6, add your 6. 2n is less than or equal to negative 6. Now I got to get rid of multiplying by 2. I divide by 2. Again, inequality does not flip because you are not dividing or multiplying both sides by a negative. You're dividing by a positive 2. N minus n minus n minus n. Now notice n minus n, those sort of cancel out. That's 0. Negative n, negative n, that's negative 2n. Less than negative 14. If you lose 4 and then take 10 more away, you're negative 14. Now I divide by negative 2. Oh, this time you are dividing by a negative. That will make the inequality symbol flip. And negative 14 divided by negative 2 is positive 7. N is greater than 7. The next one, well, move our number over because our variables are all already to that side. So 10 less than negative 5n. So I divide by negative 5, divide by negative 5. We divided by a negative. I have negative 2 here. The inequality must flip because I divided by a negative. And there we have that. But remember, we want the n first. Here's negative 2. Who's getting eaten? The negative 2 is. So there's our answer.